Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the inbuilt photo editor which is coming with the gallery in the Samsung's phones. So let's get started. So coming back to the gallery, so I will give you the idea how to add any albums. Shortcut, so add to home screen, tap to add to home screen and add, and then the home screen you can see the album which is this. So you'll just tap to get the album. So now if you want to collect some pictures, so select some pictures and you can just have a look at the pictures, and you can just change the filters, and you can just use any filter and it is opacity. So it have vast around of lots of features, and you can drag another picture to change its location. And now you can use the edit individual pictures, so you can just use the crop image icon, so you can just rotate it or flip it horizontally, vertically, and you can use the ratio to just simply add it in a perfect manner. And you can use the snipping out feature which will add the sniped picture and cut out the other portions. So you can have the lots of types of frames, and now you can just change the corners of the frame and the borders thickness, and you can change the colors of these borders, and frame will be changed with choosing each of the colors. So vivid variety is given in this photo editor, so you can just choose your as you like. So I am choosing this one and just save this one, and that the collage will be saved, and you can just have a look about the collage, and it will give you the brief look. And the photo is so crispy and the quality is so good in this photo editor. So now I'm going to show you the UIs and other things which is embedded with the gallery. So if you just pin zoom the selecting anywhere and just pin zoom, you can see the photos will just zoom in, and if you just pin zoom out the pictures, and that will make the picture small. So now I'll show you how good the editor app is. So selecting any of the pictures, and you can see this is clicked by the Samsung Galaxy X6. So the picture is so crispy and colors are so vivid. Already I have done some edit on this video, on this picture. So you can have the horizontally view, and you can rotate the pictures anywhere and flip the picture if you want right side or left side horizontally, and the ratios are given. You can set up by manual also as your requirement is your. If you want this as a cover photo, as you want it as a 16:9 ratio or as a square feet, you can just choose it from here. And there is a snipping tool. You can use the snipping tool to just cancel the other portions and just fix on a particular area, and it will use the UI to just select the areas also. So there are the filters are given. You can just change its opacities and other things, and there is a manage also given, where will be given the manual editing tool. So you can just manually change the brightness, contrast, colors, and just take out color from any part of the picture. So this vivid range of editor is given in this app, which you just can get from Samsung Galaxy App Store, or Gallery will just ask you to just download this app 360 photo editor to just give you the best photo editing experience in build with your phone. So this is too easy to learn and too easy to handle. I'm just going to show you the features and other things, so you have the idea about what you can do with these apps. So this is my motto. So other things, just hue, which is giving the color, RGB actually. So this is another thing, white balance, you can change it manually. This photo editor is just good enough to manage your photos easily. Just you don't have to need any other apps to just do this normal things. There is a pen given, erase, you can just write anything on your photo, and you can add stickers on it and add text on it, anything you like. You can download some stickers from this app store, you tapping just the plus button. So lots of things are given already, and you just have to need to know how to use these things, and you can just add some text. This is the text you type and choose the color in the right side panel. This I'm typing Samsung, and the Samsung just and then just coming on the screen. So you can just bold the background, or you can just transparent the background. So you can also use these things like blurring some photo for some instance where you require to blur in any area. So just you can see the blur have been just removing the Samsung written on there. So these are good features, you have to know how to use them, and you can use for various uses in normal editing or normal photo video editing. So you can just add pictures from your gallery. So I'm just choosing this picture to add in this photo. So adding this picture is so easy in this editor. You can just place it where you want, and you can just rotate it by tapping the rotate button in the left down corner, and you can also change the orientations, and you can do it manually also. So these are the things you can just do it from your editor app. So I'm going to show you the other things after clicking an image, how you can just change the blur and change the density of the blur and other things. So this I have just saved the image, I have just done, and you can see this sticker is so good, Samsung Galaxy camera, and you can just see the clarity of the picture which is given by the Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. This you have the camera which have the portrait mode, so you can adjust the background blur. So tapping on the adjust background blur, you can just change the background blur by decreasing or increasing, and also the light dots that are coming, you can just see the shapes of the light dots are just manually changed after just clicking on the options. You can see the star, polygon, twinkle, flower, rabbit, note, and each of the dots of the light are getting changed. You can see, I'll just save you and will show you the effects of change. So this I have just edited this with the flower, and I will show you this. You can see the flower shapes of light coming in the background. So these are the cool stuffs you can do with your phone, and some of the pictures. So I guess this is all about this photo editing. So thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and I hope you just liked my video, and I'll put other videos on Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. So let's end this video here.